Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review these 6 light black vintage matte mother chandelier. Let me tell you that I got these sent out for review, and the chandelier itself, it's really cute. It has some finishes of gold and black. They're really nice and cool, but it is a little bit of um, laborious to put it together. Okay, so just be aware of that. But if you know how to put some chandeliers before, or if you are used to do it, these will be easy for you. Okay, I'm gonna show you here all the process that we follow to actually install all the parts here. So it comes with 6 parts, and all of them will meet together in these black circle. Okay, so you have to put them all here and make sure that they are very tight. Also, it comes with a manual of instructions, so I'm showing you here on this video how we installed it, but the instructions and detail steps will be on the manual. Okay, so here we are just making sure that all the cables are matched here with this part, and right here we will be putting all the cables that come from the black part from all of the light bulbs or the legs or arms from the chandelier. Okay, and then the other one will be for the white one. Okay, once that you have put all the 6 of them here in these 2 like boxes, you will be adding also another part that it came here to this part. All of the parts that I am showing you here are included on the box of the chandelier. Okay, so now we will be putting this part that will be for basically for the receiver, and this part will be going here where the black ones go. Okay, and the black one will go with the black ones, and the white one with the white one, with a box of the white ones as well. And now that this part will be connected right here, and the other cable will be connected on our base. Now we will have to put all the cables very tight here and hide it away and in this little part or black kind of box that we have here with our chandelier, and adjust it very well. Once that everything is adjusted there, we have our final cable, which will be connected to our ceiling. Okay, so we will put this here on our chandelier. This is like the extension of it, and this is how it looks once that you have put all the arms or legs together on the chandelier. Okay, so now let's just go to the ceiling, install our base, and here we will be installing the next part. Okay, we will be pairing the cables here at the top. We will have to match and pair the neutral, the line, and the ground right here. Now that we have done that, we will be putting the cables away and just make sure that everything is tightened, putting the screws where they go and adjusted really well. Now we are putting installing our light bulbs. It's a size 19, a regular light bulb, and let's just turn it on and see how it looks. This is how it looks, and it is not too big, not too small, and it looks really cool. I really love how it looks. It's just a little bit of work to install it, but it looks amazing.